I'm going crazy. I need to kill off as many of my brain cells as possible.
Well, I'm here to help.
What the? This isn't beer. Beer is plastic circles. Did you guys see that? Oh, it's getting worse. Now my hands look like they're these weird wiggly things.
Don't look, boys.
Wait, you guys see them too? If I'm right, when I touch this box, it'll trigger another memory from some alternate me's life. I wish I lived in Little Springfield. Everything fits together and no one ever gets hurt.
Apparently, our whole world is a fantasy in the mind of an emotionally devastated Homer Simpson.
So if I don't find my way out of here, I could be trapped in a fantasy forever?
I'm afraid so.
Woohoo! I'm trapped in a fantasy forever!